Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of PDFs, articles, and videos you need to study? Today, I'm introducing NotebookLM, Google's free AI tool that works like your own personal expert. Unlike other AI tools that can sometimes hallucinate or give inaccurate answers, NotebookLM stays grounded only in the files you provide. In this complete masterclass, we will go from total beginner to advanced workflows, covering everything from smart note-taking to AI-generated podcasts and research reports. Let's dive in. Who is this video for? Almost everyone. Students. You can turn lecture notes into flashcards or quizzes in seconds. Office workers. It turns long, confusing documents into clear answers, summaries, and action points. Researchers and proposal writers. You can manage up to 50 sources or 400 on the Pro plan and find patterns across them. Content creators. Like me, I use it to brainstorm video scripts and organize research. Getting started is simple, but the steps depends on where you live. The basic way, open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. All you need is a regular Google account to sign in. Regional access or VPN tip. NotebookLM isn't available in every country yet. If the website doesn't load in your region, many people use a VPN to switch their location to a country like the US or UK, where it's fully available. You can click the video link in the description to see how to add a VPN extension to your browser. You can also use NotebookLM on your phone. When you open NotebookLM, the interface is clean and easy to understand. In the left side, this is your library or sources. All your PDFs, links, videos, and notes left here. Middle. In the middle part, this is where you talk to AI. You can ask questions, summarize content, or explore ideas. You can also adjust the response style, make answers short, detailed, or even a little fun. You'll also find options like deep search to dig deeper into your content. In the right side, this is the magic panel or the studio panel. It's where you create powerful outputs like mind maps, study guides, podcasts, and more. We will come back to this section later and use every major tool it offers. At the top, you can name your notebook, helping you stay organized when you work on multiple projects at once. Everything is designed to keep your thinking focused and your workflow smooth. Now for the fun part. NotebookLM is not only for PDFs. You can upload almost anything. NotebookLM can work with multiple types of sources, which makes it much more than a simple document tool. I will show you each one properly. If your information comes from a video lecture, interview, or documentary, copy the YouTube video link, open your notebook and click Add Source. Paste the link and confirm. NotebookLM processes the video transcript and turns the entire video into searchable knowledge. You can then ask questions, request summaries, or extract key points without rewatching the video. Now I'd like to ask a question. Summarize the key arguments presented in this video. automatically use your existing Google files. Choose the Google Drive option while adding a source. Select your documents or slides. Import them into your notebook. If you later update the original file, you can refresh the source in NotebookLM to sync the latest version. Adding websites, use it for articles, research pages, or blog posts. Copy the web page URL, paste it into Add Source, confirm the import. NotebookLM reads the page content and include it in your research base. This feature lets NotebookLM find additional information beyond the sources you uploaded. NotebookLM searches online and suggests relevant articles and sources. You can choose the useful one and add them into your notebook. Now those sources become part of your knowledge base and the AI can use them in answers. What makes this special? It expands your research automatically and you don't need to open 10 tabs yourself. Now let's ask a question. Choose your format, such as a debate between two hosts.
Welcome to the debate. Today we're tackling something that's become, the ultimate modern badge of honor: multitasking. We all do it. We all sort of claim to be good at it. The real question is, are we actually evolving into these sophisticated information jugglers, or are we just, driving our brains off a cognitive cliff? I'm going to argue that concurrent processing, as I'd call it, isn't just inevitable, it can actually be a superpower for creativity.
And I'm here to take the hard line that multitasking is, well, it's a biological lie. The research really suggests that what we call multitasking is just a rapid and frankly destructive switching process. It lowers your IQ, and there's evidence it can physically shrink parts of your brain.
Once the audio starts, you can click the join button. This lets you use your microphone to interrupt the host, ask them a question, or tell them to explain something better in real time.
Welcome back to the deep dive. I have a genuine question for you to start things off today. How many tabs do you have open right now?
Physically on my browser, or, mentally, because those are two very, very different numbers.
Both, honestly. I think most of us operate with this baseline level of chaos. You know the drill. You're watching a movie, but you're also texting.
Right.
You're in a Zoom meeting, but you're answering an email on the side. We wear this busyness like a badge of honor.
Video overview. NotebookLM also has something called video overview. This feature turns your source into a visual style explanation, like slides being presented automatically. It's great if you want to understand a topic step by step in a visual way instead of just reading or listening. I'm not creating one now because it takes more time, but it's very useful for students, teachers, and visual learners. Mind map. One of the most powerful tools here is the mind map. A mind map shows ideas like a tree, one main topic in the center, and branches showing related ideas. This helps you understand connections between concepts, not just isolated facts. Reports. The Reports tool turns your sources into a structured written report. It organizes information with headings, sections, and clear explanations. This is perfect for research, school assignments, or professional documents. Instead of reading everything, NotebookLM builds the report for you. Flashcards. Flashcards are amazing for memorization. NotebookLM turns your content into questions on one side and answers on the other. It's perfect for exams, language learning, or remembering key facts. Instead of reading notes, you actively test your brain. Quiz. The quiz feature checks how well you understood your material. It creates questions for your sources automatically. This helps you move from passive reading to active reading, which is much more powerful. Infographics. Infographics turn information into visual design, icons, sections, short text. This is perfect for social media, presentations, or explaining complex ideas simply. People understand visuals much faster than long text. So this tool is great for communication. If you want to teach or explain something publicly, infographic is one of the best tools here. Slide Deck creates ready-made presentation slides for your sources. Instead of designing slides manually, NotebookLM prepares the structure Note tool. It is a full learning system. It helps you listen, see, test, organize, and understand information in different ways. This was the complete beginner to advanced overview of NotebookLM. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe for more digital content. See you in the next one.